Hello my friends and welcome back to the Today Machine channel. The production begins in the logyard, where raw logs are unloaded and sorted by size and species. West Fraser mainly uses northern lodgepole pine due to its tight growth rings, small knots, and minimal shrinking and swelling. This species provides the consistent, strong, and stable wood fiber essential for LVL production. Bucking station. At the bucking station, logs are cut to specific lengths to optimize processing efficiency. Precision in this step ensures that the logs are suitable for the subsequent veneer peeling process. Vats. The bucked logs are soaked in vats filled with hot water to soften the wood fibers. This step is crucial for improving the pliability of the logs, facilitating efficient peeling into thin veneers. Softening also minimizes defects and ensures a higher quality veneer output. Roundup. After soaking, the logs are fed into a roundup machine. This machine removes the outer bark and shapes the logs into uniform cylinders, ready for the next stage. Spindleless lathe. In this step, the rounded logs are placed in a spindleless lathe, which peels them into thin veneers. The lathe rotates the log while a sharp blade cuts continuous sheets of veneer. This process maximizes material utilization and produces sheets with consistent thickness. Clipper. The continuous veneer sheets are then fed into a clipper, which cuts them into specific dimensions. The clipped veneers are evaluated for quality, with defects removed to ensure only high-grade veneers proceed in the production line. Stacker. The cut veneers are stacked systematically to prepare them for drying. This stage involves grouping veneers of similar dimensions, which facilitates even drying and minimizes handling issues. Dryer. The stacked veneers are placed in a large industrial dryer to reduce their moisture content to an optimal level. Proper drying is essential for achieving the desired density and stability in the final LVL product. Hog energy plant. Wood waste, including bark and chips, is directed to the hog or energy plant. Here, it is burned to generate heat or power for the facility, contributing to sustainable operations. Chipper and pointer domer. Offcuts and defective veneers from the clipping process are sent to a chipper or pointer domer, where they are processed into chips for other uses, ensuring minimal waste. Density and moisture sorting. After drying, the veneers are sorted based on density and moisture content. This sorting ensures that only veneers meet the stringent specifications for strength and durability are used. Random pulling, stacking. Finished LVL panels are pulled and stacked based on size and grade. This step ensures efficient handling and storage before the products are trimmed and packaged. Press. The sorted veneers are coated with adhesive and arranged in layers with their grain directions aligned. This assembly is then subjected to heat and pressure in a hydraulic press, bonding the veneers into a single, solid LVL panel. The press ensures uniform density and adhesion throughout the beam. Beam and header. The LVL panels are finely trimmed to specific dimensions to produce beams and headers. West Fraser offers various specifications, including 1.9E and 1.8E grades with high-strength properties, ensuring customers have the right product for their engineered lumber needs. Barossa Doors has been a leader in custom wood door manufacturing for over 25 years, specializing in front and garage doors that exemplify craftsmanship and quality. The production process begins with the careful selection of wood, which is a living material that varies in grain and color. This natural variability adds unique character to each door, and artisans work diligently to select and prepare the wood to enhance its beauty. Once selected, the wood undergoes staining, where variations in color may occur due to the wood's natural tendencies, such as sap flow. Although sap flow is a natural process that occurs with temperature fluctuations, it does not affect the wood's integrity and will stop once the resin is fully excreted. The doors are crafted with attention to detail, ensuring durability and resistance to the Canadian climate. While the exterior doors are treated to withstand weathering, regular cleaning and maintenance are essential to preserve their appearance. This involves cleaning with mild detergent and water, avoiding abrasive substances that could damage the finish. The construction of a wooden house is a meticulous process involving several key stages. First, the walls are crafted in a workshop, ensuring precision and quality. Once ready, they are carefully loaded and transported to the construction site. The assembly phase begins with the installation of the walls and roof frames, ensuring the structure is securely erected. Before the actual construction begins, the project is thoroughly discussed to understand the client's needs, budget, and lifestyle. The specific characteristics of the land, such as size, shape, slope, and regulatory constraints, are also considered. This information is used by the design office to tailor the house while respecting both technical and financial requirements. Depending on the client's preferences, the house can be built using one of three construction methods: glued laminated timber, the company's historical specialty, or post and beam framing. Regardless of the method, the focus remains on achieving long-lasting thermal performance and a healthy living environment. The wood used in construction mainly comes from the Jura mountain range, adhering to a commitment to short supply chains and environmental sustainability. This approach has been in place long before eco-conscious marketing trends became popular. The project is designed in compliance with all current construction regulations and seismic standards. Anticipating future regulations ensures the house will be energy efficient and cost-effective in terms of heating. Clients can opt for a turnkey project with full guarantees and insurance, though the company limits its geographical range to maintain high construction standards. For other locations, the company handles design, manufacturing, and delivery of the shell. The installation of AB Pano acoustic panels involves the use of a patented system featuring milled ears. These ears, forming profiles and counterprofiles, enable an extremely fast, precise, and invisible interlocking assembly. This system ensures that the panels are securely and seamlessly connected without the need for visible fasteners. The installation process is highly efficient, with the milled ears ensuring that the panels fit together perfectly and stay in place once installed. This precision reduces installation time and improves the overall aesthetic of the ceiling. In addition, the sound-absorbing properties of the panels contribute to creating a more acoustically pleasant environment, making them ideal for commercial and residential spaces that require enhanced acoustic performance. The Liborn Metsapro tool range is designed specifically for wood frame construction, with tools like wall pullers, anchoring hooks, adjustable jacks, and scaffolding clamps. These forged tools are built to improve efficiency on wood construction sites by reducing the number of tools needed. Key features include a quick setting mechanism, micrometric adjustments for precise settings, and a freehand architect's plumb line with a 4-meter nylon string. The adjustable jack has a rotating and offset plate for flexibility, while the clamp's jaws and shims are interchangeable, allowing fine adjustments for a secure grip. Designed with comfort in mind, the tool belt comes with a maxi pocket for easy storage. Developed in collaboration with Maisons Bois Audels Concepts and under the guidance of National Committee for Wood Development, the Metsapro range offers professional training for mastering wood frame construction techniques, making it an essential choice for builders in this field. The Gemini Gunstock Carving Duplicator is a high-performance machine designed for crafting precise duplicates of gunstocks and other complex wooden shapes. It stands out as a professional-grade duplicating solution, ideal for businesses or craftspeople requiring accuracy and efficiency in their work. Engineered with a patented, rigid structure, the Gemini ensures unparalleled stability during operation. This rigidity eliminates the inconsistencies often associated with less robust carvers. The machine's perfect balance provides users with fine touch control of the router, enabling detailed and accurate carving with minimal effort. The result is a precisely duplicated piece that requires only minor sanding before finishing. The Gunstock carver model is tailored specifically for gun makers. It features a rotary fixture that simplifies the process of duplicating gunstocks, ensuring both speed and accuracy. Powered by a 1.75 horsepower router, the machine is capable of cutting duplicates into a wide range of woods, including birch, maple, walnut, and laminate. Ease of use is another hallmark of the Gemini Gunstock carver. Its straightforward setup and operation make it accessible to both professionals and skilled enthusiasts. A patented brake mechanism further enhances its usability by stabilizing and controlling the cutting motion, allowing for smooth and precise operation. By integrating the Gemini Gunstock carver into a workshop, users can significantly reduce production time and effort while maintaining high-quality standards. The machine is a reliable tool that enables craftsmen to focus on the finer details of their work rather than the labor-intensive duplication process. The production process at Sincal begins with the reforestation of raw materials, managed through multiple steps to ensure the quality of the wood, from planting to harvesting. Once the raw material reaches the headquarters in Cacador, Santa Catarina, it enters a systematic production line for processing. The process starts with debarking and sorting logs by diameter to streamline the creation of components for various products. In the sawmill, the wood is cut into sections tailored to production needs. The next stage involves turning, where base veneers for doors are crafted, forming the foundation for further shaping. Following the turning process, the structural framework of the door is assembled using wooden grids that provide essential rigidity. These pre-assembled bases undergo gluing to prepare them for subsequent refinement. After bonding, the veneers are inspected and adjusted, followed by a resting period for proper acclimatization. The calibrated doors are then prepared for the application of high-quality veneer finishes, often made from imported materials. Side fillets, tracking codes, and moisture-resistant seals are added before moving to the painting phase, where varnish is applied in several stages. Finally, technical drilling for hinges and locks is performed, and the doors are securely packaged with protective materials. Adhering to rigorous quality standards, these products are distributed to customers in over 30 countries. The production of Kisaragi wooden furniture, crafted in Takayama, Japan, reflects a deep connection to the region's rich woodworking traditions. Located in the snow-covered mountains of the Hida region, young artisans hone their skills, creating furniture with meticulous attention to detail. The process begins with selecting high-quality local wood, which is then carefully shaped and joined using traditional techniques passed down through generations. Each piece is handcrafted, ensuring that the natural beauty and texture of the wood are preserved. The final step involves a finishing process that enhances the wood's natural grain and ensures durability. The result is a beautiful and functional piece that embodies the spirit of craftsmanship, sustainability, and the local culture of Takayama. This blend of artistry and functionality creates furniture that is not only visually stunning but also built to last, showcasing the craftsmanship and values of the Hida region. The production of bamboo furniture and kitchen utensils at Zhengruichang Industrial Art involves a precise, multi-step process, ensuring high-quality and environmentally friendly products. The process begins with bamboo selection and cutting into appropriate sizes. Skilled workers and advanced machinery ensure that each piece meets required specifications. The bamboo is then drilled, shaped, and assembled into various furniture or kitchen utensil designs. A UV spray coating process is applied for added durability and a polished finish. Throughout production, the company emphasizes quality control, ensuring all items meet health and environmental standards. The factory has obtained certifications such as ISO 9001 and FDA. The company is dedicated to producing bamboo wares that meet global standards while promoting sustainable practices, serving markets worldwide. The universal machine processes medium-sized parts with high precision. It supports up to 3 spindles and rotary devices, enabling efficient machining of large-diameter rotating bodies. The machine operates with X, Y, and Z axes, 800 mm, 1200 mm, and 250 mm, respectively, guided by Highwind rails, driven by stepper motors, and equipped with an ER20 spindle rotating at 12,000 to 24,000 RPM. Its sturdy MDF table and customizable rotary attachments allow for diverse applications, while the DSP controller ensures autonomous, user-friendly operation. The TV milling machine is designed for the efficient production of straight and slightly curved wooden bars, as well as rods made from plastic, graphite, and other materials. It can handle diameters ranging from 5 to 80 millimeters, depending on the model. The machine is equipped with either fixed diameter tools, which are interchangeable for different sizes, or an adjustable diameter tool for wood, enabling the production of rods from 10 to 45 millimeters or from 15 to 65 millimeters using the same tooling. With a maximum productivity of 25 meters per minute, the machine is ideal for manufacturing various products such as broom handles, umbrella sticks, furniture components, and parts for sports and musical instruments. The TV65 model also supports the use of specialized tools to produce rods with helicoidal flutes, which are used for making dowels for furniture and door frames. The Cow CNC1 is an advanced automatic line designed for efficient wooden door production. It features a CNC machine equipped with 3 spindles, enabling precise and simultaneous processing for intricate designs and high-quality finishes. The line integrates material handling, cutting, milling, and finishing processes into a seamless workflow. Capable of producing one door every 5 minutes, the CNC-1 achieves a remarkable output of 160 doors per day. This is facilitated by automated material feed, real-time adjustments, and a user-friendly interface for minimal manual intervention. Advanced programming ensures consistent accuracy, while integrated quality checks maintain high standards. The CNC-1's automation reduces production time, optimizes resource usage, and eliminates bottlenecks, making it a reliable solution for large-scale manufacturing. Its precision, speed, and scalability meet the demands of modern woodworking, making it a preferred choice for door manufacturers seeking efficiency and excellence. The Knight 3D Wood Carving CNC Router H1000 is a high-precision machine designed for intricate 3D wood carvings. It utilizes advanced CNC technology to carve detailed designs, such as chess pieces, from wood blocks. The router features multiple axes of movement for precise carving, along with a powerful spindle motor to ensure smooth cutting. This machine is ideal for creating detailed, custom woodwork with minimal human intervention, offering both efficiency and accuracy in production. At luxury stairs, bespoke wooden stairs are crafted with precision using a combination of expert design, advanced technology, and skilled craftsmanship. The process features 2 CNC machines, 5-axis and 4-axis, alongside woodworking plants for smooth production. With 25 experienced craftsmen and grade A+ wood, every staircase is carefully made to meet exacting standards, incorporating glass, metal, and wrought iron elements. This 4-axis CNC milling machine from Polyfacade is designed for precision machining of complex components. This machine excels at creating intricate designs, including those with negative angles, by enabling precise movements along the XY axes relative to a rotating 4th axis. Its versatility allows it to process a wide range of materials, including wood, such as ash, oak, beech, and larch, panel materials like MDF, HDF, and particle board, as well as plastics, artificial stone, aluminum, and other soft metals. The machine's robust construction features reinforced guides and carriages, ensuring stability and precision even when handling heavy or oversized materials. The 4th axis uses a backlash-free reducer, delivering exceptional accuracy with an error margin as low as 0.008 millimeters. This precision enhances the detailing of even the smallest patterns and supports the machining of large wooden workpieces within the processing area. The machines are equipped with powerful, high-quality Italian, Technomotor spindles. Depending on production needs, spindles range from 2.0 kilowatts, 9,000–18,000 RPM, to 9.2 kilowatts, 12,000–24,000 RPM, ensuring optimal performance for every application. The door panel pure pressing line efficiently produces high-quality door panels using polyurethane, pure, as the core material. The process begins with sheet metal or composite materials loaded into the line for shaping and preparation. These sheets are precision cut to the desired size and receive surface treatments, ensuring optimal adhesion. Next, the prepared sheets are conveyed to the pressing station, where polyurethane foam is applied between the layers. Advanced dosing units precisely mix and inject the pure material, ensuring consistency in density and bonding. The assembled layers are then pressed under controlled temperature and pressure, allowing the pure to expand, cure, and firmly bond the panel's layers. After pressing, the panels undergo trimming and finishing processes, ensuring dimensional accuracy and aesthetic quality. Finally, the panels are inspected and packaged, ready for use in applications requiring durability, insulation, and soundproofing, such as residential and industrial doors. HMS Staircases, established in 1990, has grown into a leading stair manufacturer, known for producing high-quality staircases for national house builders. Over the years, the company faced challenges related to labor-intensive traditional methods that often required overtime, consuming both time and profits. However, the acquisition of Masterwood's CNC machines marked a turning point for HMS Staircases, enabling them to increase production and improve efficiency. The heart of the production process lies in the use of Masterwood's CNC machines, including the 16-year-old Atlas XL, which was introduced many years ago. These machines replaced semi-automatic trenching machines and manual processes, streamlining the production of critical staircase components such as strings, newels, treads, and newel caps. The integration of Masterwood's CAD/CAM software, further enhanced the design and production workflow. This software allows for quick and precise design of staircases, producing cutting sheets, drawings, and CNC programs, ensuring consistency and accuracy across all components. The production begins with the creation of newel posts, the vertical supports that form the foundation of a staircase. These are machined with precision on the CNC machines, ensuring each post fits perfectly with the other components. Strings follow, which are the diagonal or curved parts that support the treads. These too are produced on the CNC machines, which cut and shape the strings with exceptional accuracy. Next, the company focuses on the treads, the horizontal parts of the staircase that form the steps. This includes curtail treads, which are custom-cut treads used at the start or end of the staircase. The CNC machines efficiently handle both standard and special treads, including those with kite winders, significantly reducing production time. In the past, producing a standard staircase with kite winders could take a full day, but with the CNC systems, it now takes only about 3 hours. One of the key innovations is the use of newel caps, which are crafted from string offcuts, maximizing material usage. These caps are a finishing touch, adding both strength and aesthetic appeal to the newel posts. The new workshop layout, established many years ago at Project 460 in Stoke-on-Trent, has further optimized production. With better space and organization, the 3 CNC machines are now arranged in a line, ensuring a streamlined production flow for all components. This facility also includes separate rooms for Baloo's trading assembly and a new spray shop, improving both the quality and efficiency of the finishing process. The upgraded setup has allowed HMS Staircases to meet growing demand, increasing their production capacity to between 50 and 60 staircases per week, while reducing overtime and maintaining high standards of quality. The addition of a third CNC machine was instrumental in keeping up with the ever-growing demand, ensuring that HMS Staircases remains competitive in the market while continuing to produce bespoke and batch staircases with speed and precision. AB Pano panels are produced at Drouin Sass, located in the Sarthe department, approximately 30 kilometers north of Le Mans. The production process involves a team of 6 machine operators and 2 programmers, with a maximum monthly production capacity of around 2,000 square meters. The highest quality poplar wood is selected for manufacturing the panels. The grooving process is done with a 4 mm or 8 mm saw, depending on the customer's needs, with each groove taking 10 to 12 minutes. The panels are then transferred to a second table for precise placement using templates. Acoustic pockets, ranging from none to 7, are created in the panels for easier installation on site. The routing process takes 8 to 10 minutes. After assembly, panels are either packaged or finished based on customer requests, such as fireproofing or varnishing, before final delivery. The wooden chair making industry in the UK has long been rooted in a rich tradition of craftsmanship, blending time-honored techniques with modern design to create furniture that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Within this sector, companies like Bibbings and Hensby Workshop represent the epitome of this fusion, where traditional woodworking skills meet contemporary design philosophies. Founded on the belief that handmade furniture carries a unique sense of humanity and warmth, Bibbings and Hensby Workshop is a prime example of a business that prioritizes bespoke creations crafted with exceptional attention to detail. The company emphasizes the value of traditional skills in its production process, offering pieces that stand out for their uniqueness and quality. Each chair and furniture piece is meticulously crafted by skilled artisans, maintaining the integrity of time-honored methods while allowing for modern design sensibilities. This approach ensures that the final product is not only visually striking but also built to last. The UK's wooden chair making industry is part of a broader furniture manufacturing sector that contributes significantly to the economy. In recent years, the furniture industry in the UK has been valued at approximately £10 billion, with the wooden furniture segment accounting for a substantial portion. The bespoke furniture market, particularly those pieces crafted by skilled artisans, has seen growth, as more consumers seek unique, handcrafted items that reflect their personal style. This shift is indicative of a wider trend towards sustainability and a desire for high-quality, long-lasting products. Bespoke furniture makers like Bibbings and Hensby Workshop cater to a niche but growing market. They provide an exclusive service, working closely with clients to create one-of-a-kind pieces that meet individual needs and tastes. This highly personalized service, where the customer is involved in the commissioning process, ensures that every piece is tailored to specifications, whether it's for a private home, corporate space, or design project. In terms of production, the UK's wooden chair making industry remains focused on small-scale, high-quality output rather than mass production. Many manufacturers emphasize sustainable practices, using locally sourced wood and environmentally friendly finishes. This eco-conscious approach aligns with global trends, as both consumers and businesses increasingly prioritize sustainability in their purchasing decisions. While large-scale furniture production is still prominent in the UK, smaller workshops and independent makers continue to thrive, offering a high degree of specialization. For example, bespoke chairs can be crafted from a variety of wood types, such as oak, walnut, and ash, each selected for its durability and aesthetic qualities. The UK's tradition of craftsmanship and its growing reputation for bespoke furniture production make it a key player in the global market for high-end, handcrafted wooden furniture.